Thank you, members of the fourth estate. Now, we are grateful. We are grateful that today we have come to the very end of the journey that we began about 6 years ago. We have had a chance to call 3 witnesses to testify on behalf of other members of the Rastafarian Society of Kenya, to give their evidence before the Honorable Court and to demonstrate the kind of stigmatization, the kind of unwarranted searches they have been enduring, the kind of victimization that they have had to endure for all those years that this law that was promulgated or passed in the year 1994 was passed. So we are grateful that come the 28th day of May 2026, my Lord Justice Bahati Mwamuye will render a decision, one way or another, to demonstrate the place of Rasta in our constitutional democracy. So we remain hopeful as a group, as Sheria Mtaani. We remain hopeful as members of the Rastafarian Society of Kenya that come the 28th day of May 2026, the court shall vindicate these members of the Rastafarian Society of Kenya. I must also end by saying that we had also looked forward. We were looking forward to the CEO of NACADA coming to testify before the Honorable Court to tell us why he thinks or why he imagines that because what is bad for him could also be bad for the members of the Rastafarian Society of Kenya. But lo and behold, from the submission given by his counsel, we have been informed that the state, the Attorney General, will not be calling any witness to testify against the evidence that we have presented before the Honorable Court. In addition to that, NACADA will also not be presenting any witness to testify in support of the arguments before the Honorable Court. This is just to go and to demonstrate that there has not been any legal justification, that they are afraid of coming before the Honorable Court to be asked questions, to be questioned about their preconceived notions about the use of marijuana. So with those very few remarks and with the conduct of the NACADA and the state, it is evident that we have hope that the Honorable Court is going to make judgment in favor of the Rastafarian Society of Kenya. So I urge members of the public that come the 28th May, the court has given us liberty to use the ceremonial hall, so that even if we come in our hundreds, even if we come in our millions, then we will have enough room and space for all of us. So nobody should be fearful. Everybody should feel welcomed. You should come and receive the judgment on the 28th day of May 2026 at 10 a.m. That is all from me. Yes, and as far as the clothing is concerned, Rasta is permitted, is allowed to come in the fashion or in the manner that they so desire or please. People are not going to be discriminated while they are in the Honorable Court. You can't be discriminated outside the Temple of Justice and also face the same discrimination inside the Temple of Justice. So my Lord Justice Bahati Mwamuye has come to the rescue of Rastafarian, and any member of the society should not feel unwanted in this environment, should feel welcomed, and they should be ready to come here in their numbers on the day that when the day we will be receiving the judgment.
And today we are an excited lot. After 6 years in the corridors of justice, we are now seeing justice in sight. Today, on behalf of the Rastafarian Society, we had an opportunity to present our petition before His Honorable Justice Mwamuye, and the good judge also issued an order that none of the witnesses who testified today may be arrested or harassed by members of our security forces in respect to whatever testimony they gave to court today. And so we'll be returning on the 6th of May for highlighting of submission, and hopefully on the 27th or on the 28th of May, the court will be issuing a decision and determining whether the rights of the Rastafarian community have been violated over the mistreatment and harassment in respect to use of cannabis. Thank you.
The court has today had chance to listen to the petitioner's case insofar as the Rastafari community had gone to court to present a case challenging the criminalization of marijuana, which is an integral part of the manifestation of their faith. The court has had the 2 cases that had been brought, and we have closed the petitioner's case, and directions have been issued towards ensuring we get back on the date that had been set for judgment, where the court will pronounce itself as to whether it is proper, whether it is constitutional for the state to criminalize the use, possession and cultivation of marijuana by the Rastafari community who use it for their faith. And it is for that reason we are here today, and we are glad to have been heard by the court.